welcome back to another vlog. I've filmed some clips, but I don't think I've talked to the camera yet. So hello, welcome. The clips I filmed, they were last weekend. I think they were Sunday, but then I just stopped filming even though I had full intentions of filming all weekend. To be completely honest, I was grouchy because I am trying to figure out this irrigation to our water beds. I have no idea what I'm doing. I dedicated my whole Monday to it. I had to go to Lowe's twice. We finally had it figured out, and then one of our pieces broke as we were screwing everything together. So I needed to order some cheese. Oh, Milo's giving you kisses. So I needed to order some replacement pieces, and so I did that. I think I need to pick up one more thing at Lowe's today. Yeah, and then this weekend I will try again. But I was just grouchy because it wasn't working out, and I wasn't in the mood to vlog. Full transparency. But I figured we'd vlog this weekend, whatever we can get up to. Today is a mommy marathon day. Bradley works all day. He is gone from 9 to right about 7:30 when we put Milo down. So it's just a mommy and Milo day. He smiled at me. So we're just gonna hang out around here. I'm gonna get as much stuff as I can done during his nap. You guys, I've been doing the heatless curls while I sleep, just for like everyday nice curly hair, and I'm really into it. I'll link down below what I use. It's the Kitsch thing, and it's pretty comfy to sleep in, not too bad. But so yeah, just thought I would vlog. Today is Friday. I don't know if I said that, what we get up to today throughout the weekend. I did want to take a second to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Aura. I am popping in here to tell you about the sponsor of this portion of the video, which is Aura. If you have ever Googled yourself and have been terrified of how much personal information have come up in the results, or if you've ever been part of a data breach where your email or your password has been compromised, Aura can really help you out with that. If you don't already know, Aura is the website/app that really helps me out with internet safety. If you've never Googled yourself, which we all have done that, right? It's a normal thing. If you never have though, do it, because you might be terrified by the amount of personal information that comes up. Your address, your phone number, people you're related to, like really creepy things. Your information is out there because data brokers sell it to scammers, the people that call you on the phone. Those are the worst. The spam calling is awful, but Aura is the place to help you out with that because they will submit your info to get you taken off the list. They will opt you out of all these lists so that you are off these robocallers and scammers and spammers lists. Aura can identify those brokers that are selling your information, and they are legally required to take you off the list once they've been asked, but they make it really difficult for you to figure out how to ask, so let Aura handle it for you. But also, if your login, your email, your password on any situation has been part of a data breach, Aura can identify it, let you know about it, and give you tips on how to fix it. The internet is a wonderful place, but it can be a very scary place, so I highly recommend Aura. I think it's great for just keeping you a little bit safer out there, a little more private, a little less annoyed. The scammers are everywhere. They're in your email, they're calling you on the phone, so let Aura do the dirty work for you and get you taken off of those lists. If you are interested in Aura and want to have them scan your name and see what comes up, you can use my link, which is aura.com/AmyLynn, for a 2-week free trial and see what they find on you, see what comes up. I will have the link linked right there in the description, so you can just easily click it if you want to give it a try for the 2 weeks. Thank you to Aura for sponsoring this portion of the video. Thank you to you for watching this video and getting me cool sponsors like Aura. And let's go ahead and get back to the vlog. But yeah, right now Milo is eating lunch. We have Ocean's 8 on the TV, which I saw in theaters when it came out, and I enjoyed it, and I'm enjoying watching it again. It's a fun little movie. Not that it's little. There's literally every woman you've ever known in the cast. But yeah, he's eating lunch. We're chilling. We'll see what I get done during nap time. Okay, it's a little bit later now. Oh, got some redness happening. Milo is napping. I just came in from watering the yard. We've been working in the yard whenever we can. Like I said, we did a bunch of things last weekend. There's still so much I wanted to do, and I was tempted to start projects now, but I'm just going to hold off until the weekend. It's Friday, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. I just have like stuff I could do at the computer, so I'm gonna catch up on like admin work and stuff while he naps after I have my lunch. But it did inspire me to make like a list of everything I want to do in the yard, because there's so many things. I need to put up some tomato cages, I want to plant sunflowers, just so many like tiny little things that I'm going to make a list. Oh, my lunch is sizzling. But I wanted to show you my lunch. My new favorite lunch is so easy. It's just soup and toast. I loved this for years and I kind of forgot about it, but it's the organic tomato and roasted red pepper soup. It is delicious. It just is like in a thing that stock comes in, so you can keep them in your pantry until you want them. You just heat a little bit up. I add pepper and a ton of parsley to mine. and then you have to refrigerate it, and then use within 7 to 10 days of opening. But like I've been having this every day for lunch, so that's no problem. And it's organic. Like how great is that? And it's so good. Okay, and here's lunch. Bunch of pepper, bunch of parsley, big old piece of toast with butter on it. So delicious, so easy, so quick. So I'm gonna eat this and then head upstairs to do some work. Hey guys, as you can tell by the hat, it's time to go outside in the garden, but happy Saturday. It is Saturday. As you saw, I did some chores this morning. Milo just woke up. Bradley is home right now. He worked, hi. Milo just spotted me. He worked this morning and he works later this evening, but he's home for a chunk of the afternoon, so we're gonna work outside. Hi. My son really wants me to come outside. There's just a couple of things I want to do. I grabbed some seed packets. I have a whole pumpkin bed this year, so I have these little mini jack pumpkins, and then I'm gonna add some zinnia seeds to the zinnia pots we already planted. Let me show you. So for visual interest, as well as hoping to bring more bees to the area, I wanted to put cute little pots in between the 2 or 3 garden beds. These pots I love so much. They're from Target. They could be indoor or outdoor pot, but I liked how like short they were, because I didn't want anything too big to get in the way, because we don't have a lot of space, you know, to get in and get to harvesting. Are you okay?
Yeah, just got some crap on me.
Oh, we got these pots, and then I planted up these beautiful zinnias. I've been, for the last couple of years, watching a lot of gardening TikToks. I watch a lot of people that like harvest a lot of things, and they always have zinnias, and I think they're so pretty. So I wanted to get some, and so I thought I'd put some of those green zinnia seeds in there and just see what happens. Got the tomatoes going. Peppers are looking kind of sad. I planted a purple bell pepper plant back there, and it's completely gone. So something came and ate it. Yeah, this Roma tomato is very happy. But yeah, we got zinnias over here too. Zinnias, I don't know. So pretty. Over here is the pumpkin bed, so I have more room, so I want to add those pumpkin seeds. So yeah, we're just outside hanging out. Ludi just played, I almost said tennis. He did not play tennis. He's a dog. He just played frisbee, so he's tired. We're playing peekaboo over there. There's like a little tiny area behind these shrubs that Milo likes to go behind. Yeah. Yes! Oh, you guys, our pear tree is sick.
I'm taking care of it.
Yeah, but we're just gonna have to keep taking care of it. So it might be sick forever, it might just be sick this season. I'm not really sure, but send your good vibes to our pear tree and to our peach tree. It's not necessarily suffering, but
what's wrong with it?
Nothing. I just really want peaches to work out. Actually, it does look kind of sad. Maybe it needs more water again. I don't know if you know anything about peach trees. I looked up what brown spots mean, and it meant too much water, so we pulled back on watering. Do you want to walk over to the strawberries with me? Yeah. Yeah? Should we go check the straws? You want to hold my hand? Oh, okay. Do you see one? What? Do you see a red strawberry? Yeah. Red? Do you want to pick that one right there? Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Not that one. Yeah, that one's not red yet. No. Do you want to pick it? No. Oh, have a seat. Help? You want mommy to pick it for you? Okay.
Red.
Red. All right, the slugs have not gotten to this one.
Yeah.
Do you want to eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to show Daddy first, or you what? Okay. I also have some herbs and stuff up here. Over here I want to pot up. Happy Sunday. Let me step into the light. Oh, what a difference that made. Of course, my camera is dying. I'll go get the other one. But hi, hello, happy Sunday. Don't know if I said that already. We've had, I was gonna say a chill morning. It has been a chill morning, but we had an early morning. Milo woke up just a little after 5. So we're all on the struggle bus. Bradley's currently at work. Milo's napping. I had a little bit of chill time, but then I just ate some leftovers for lunch, and now I want to tackle this kitchen. There's a sink full of dishes. My family is coming over after nap. My parents are heading back to North Carolina, so one last hurrah before they go. I also feel naked because last night in the bath I decided to peel off all my nail polish. It was actually really fun. Something about this new collection, like the polish just kind of peels off in one go, but I've never felt more naked in my life. But I made an appointment for Tuesday. I want like a bright pink. But anyway, so yeah, we're having people over, so I gotta pick up this, I don't even know if you can see. I'll show you. I'll give you a time lapse of me cleaning and doing dishes and whatnot. That's probably gonna take up the rest of my nap time. I'm hoping to like maybe reach a standstill point and then I can go do a little bit of computer work, but if not, that's okay. I would also like to kind of look over the fridge. Monday mornings are grocery shopping day for me and Milo. Bradley has a standing hockey lesson, so Milo and I always go grocery shopping. It's the most interesting looking bug. So I'd like to like take a look at what we have, what we need, start the meal plan for the week, take a look at what nights Bradley will be home, which nights I'll be cooking, he'll be cooking, all that thing, kind of just plan everything out. So gonna have a little Sunday reset.